Hi guys, good morning, maayong buntag, magandang umaga, and goedemorgen. Welcome back to my channel. This is G Sensei. Salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng vlogs ko. Although hindi naman masyado interesting yung videos ko or yung content, but I really appreciate everybody who has been watching my vlogs or my videos from day one until this time. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you continue to watch my videos. Yeah, so salamat talaga. It's exactly 3 months since my daughter and I moved here sa Netherlands. Uy, hadyo! Yeah, I'm currently feeding my daughter avocado and a little bit of bread, especially rice. She really loves rice. You're Asian, huh? Come on. Paano na gid iya? So it's only me and Anna at home today. In 2 hours, she's gonna be picked up by her grandma. So yeah, my in-laws have been really supportive and really helpful. They come by a lot to be with Anna or to spend time with Anna or also to help out here. I'm really lucky. Thank you, Connie and Peter, for the help. Bedankt altijd for the help. Is that right? And they teach me Dutch a lot. Thank you so much. And yeah, as I mentioned, yeah, my daughter wants to join. As I mentioned in my previous vlog, the Christmas vlog, the Christmas gift that I received from them was the English lessons. It's a short course at a university, yeah, a Dutch course. So, but not really high level, no, because my Dutch level is really low at the moment. So I've done the A1 test and then I have to proceed to A2 and fortunately B1 or higher in the future. But I just want to be able to communicate comfortably, not really perfectly, but comfortably with Ruth's family, and also when I go out and go to shops, the neighbors, I talk to the neighbors like that. Para mas maging komportable yung pagpuyo. Yung pagtira namin, pagtira? But yeah, anyway, so living here would be more comfortable. My daughter is just staring at me. Maybe she thinks, ano, sige manigtabi akong mama. It's been 3 months and yeah, so far things have been great. Yeah, of course, not always because I'm homesick sometimes and I'm lonely sometimes, honestly. I told Ruth about it, so he would understand how I feel. Sometimes I just snap. It's not good, but I just snap and like parang kuan ba makalibog. What's the reason why I snap or I get angry like that? I don't know. Maybe it's Hey, I will jog it long way. She's in the mood. Yeah, but things haven't been really easy for me. Yeah, it's challenging to be in a new country, away from home, away from friends, away from everybody, and with a totally different language. And of course, I'm not stuck, but I'm at home most of the time. I don't mind it. But if you're forced or if you're told to stay at home because yeah, it's not safe outside, then it becomes a burden. Yeah. The right, Anna? Diba? Ingon bitaw ko. Yeah, so I really hope things would go back to normal. I know not very soon, but I really hope mabalik na po taon ta sa normal, no? So we can see our friends easily. I have some friends and relatives I'd like to visit here in Europe. So I would at least naman maibsan yung yung homesickness natin. But yeah, most of the time I can't really think about how I feel, especially during the day because I'm with Anna. But it's really at night before you sleep, because that's the time when it's just you, and you have time to entertain negative thoughts and feeling. But yeah, so far it's okay. I can still handle it. But I just told my partner so he would understand, so he would know how I really feel. And I'm really glad Ruth from day one has been really understanding and loving and caring. Yeah, wala akong masabi masyado. Yeah. He always takes care of me and Anna, and he fixes breakfast almost every day. I should do that, and I want to do that, but it's just something he does even when we were still in Cebu. Anna, yeah, and he takes care of Anna a lot, or well, he's doing really good. I'm really proud of you, Dodong. And then I'm also really lucky with my in-laws, because they really help out a lot and they're always here to help. They really love my daughter and they treat me like a part of their family. So I'm really lucky. Pasensya naman kayo sa sa boses ng anak ko. We're having breakfast. After a bit, I'm gonna wash Anna, get her ready before her Oma picks her up. No. You're so pretty. Yeah, I'm really happy to be able to see Anna's cute face every day. I always tell Ruth, Anna is very cute, Papa, no? Anna is very cute. Anna is really cute. Anna is so cute. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just with all parents. I think you always think that your daughter or your son is the cutest baby in the world. I can now understand why a lot of moms, a lot of parents feel really proud to to post pictures of their babies, of their kids. So karelate na ko, Ana. Like it? Like it? Good girl. So mukhaan na day ko kay kuan naman 30, it's been 30 minutes naman. So ang lemon water I drink lemon water and then warm siya, and then after 30 minutes and I can eat. Kuan siya, habit na siya. Even in Vietnam, I like lemon water. But sa Cebu, wala ay keber. Keber kape ay kape. Kanang instant, lami kayo. But then in 2018, I stopped drinking coffee because nagka-insomnia ko. And then even years before that, gi-advisean ko sa doktor nga dili na pakapihon katong nga call center pa ko sa Cebu ba. Di ko pakapihon kay basically when you drink coffee, it kicks in after 4 hours. So example, you drink your coffee at 7 in the morning. It kicks in after 4 hours. So by 11 o'clock, feel na nimo ang epekto sa coffee. Then it stays in your system for 8 hours. No? So, if mo inom ka coffee sa hapon, most likely, ngarag kay kagabi. Pero believe ako sa ibang tao na even how many cups of coffee they drink every day, they can still sleep like normally. In my case, if I have coffee like in the afternoon, I'm up probably all night. Yeah. At yeah, guys, pasensya naman kung wala akong interesting na vlogs. Kasi naman, hindi naman tayo allowed mag-travel. Suggest naman guys kung anong interesting na topics na dapat i-vlog. Wala man naman na akong masyadong followers pa, no? Pero, subscribers pa. Konti pa naman yung subscribers ko. But, I'm really glad that you guys watch my videos and like my videos, so na-appreciate ko naman. Taking videos is an outlet for me, no, para maibsa naman yung homesickness. And then wala akong kausap sa bahay. Si Ana lang and me. So, wala. Boring sometimes. I like being at home, but yung wala kang makausap naman, no? Wala, mahirap naman. Hindi naman always nandito yung parents ni Ruth para makausap ko. And then, yung friends ko naman sa Pilipinas and sa Vietnam, hindi naman always andyan kasi may time difference naman tayo. So, talaga, wala akong makausap most of the time. So, busy lang ako with Ana. Yun. So, that's why I make videos para, you know, naaliw naman ako pag nag-edit, ganun. Yeah. So far, yeah, I could say it's not easy being in Europe, very far away from home. But so far, it's been okay. Yeah, it's been okay. I can still deal with the homesickness and, you know, all the changes. It gets better for sure. So I just really appreciate all the help that I get from, you know, Ruth's family and some friends, and yeah, I have a good support system at the moment, so I'm really glad. Hey, little girl. Oh, what is Papa? What is Papa? Na good morning. Ha? Day, nay toko, day. Nay toko diha. Nay toko. Ha? Nay toko. Yeah, I know, right? I know. Da. Hello again, guys. Time check. It's 5 minutes to 4 o'clock. So, wala na si Ana. Ando na sa in-laws ko. Pasensya naman sa sa mukha ko. I have spots here, white spots, kasi yung breakouts ko, nilagyan ko ng calmoseptin. It helps dry out the acne or the breakouts. I have an hour and a half to go before Ruth comes, so makakapag-relax ako ng konti. But I have few stuff dar sa kitchen. Tapusin ko lang, hugasan ko lang, and then I'm gonna go to the couch and then magtikungkung kasi nga ang lamig-lamig. Yam. Tanaw ko YouTube kay taon ako kakita sa akong mga sunod nga vloggers. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna close this vlog, and yeah, before I end this vlog, I just want to say that if ever you're going through something really hard for you to deal with, please open up to the right people to, you know, lighten up the load, lighten up the burden. Like me, I'm not really the very open type. Hindi ako masyadong nag-share sa mga very close friends ko lang. But then, I really try my best to open up to Ruth para mas maintindihan niya, or para at least, you know, may makatulong sa'yo if you need, or para at least, you know, maibsan naman yung kung anong masikip sa loob, masikip sa dibdib, diba? Sorry sa akong Tagalog. But yeah, seek help if you must. And yeah, yun lang. Mag-open up lang. It's very important. Nakakatulong talaga. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Wala namang masyadong ganap tong video to. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, please like the video or share if you want. Or like, yeah, please subscribe if you haven't yet. And I hope to see you in my next vlog. So, see you. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Thanks for watching.